What's up? Happy Monday. Happy St. Patty's Day. Got the green on. You know, had to. Almost didn't. Not gonna lie. Almost went just with the green hat. Decided I gotta rock the shirt too. You know, once a year. Had a pretty productive weekend. Working on the side projects, got a lot of things coming up. It's gonna be a busy like month. Got let me think. 2, possibly 4 projects that are like launching in the next month or two. Busy, very busy, and it's summer, so you know, like all the summer stuff's happening. So I gotta like change oil on the cars, tax time. It's a busy time right now. It's like super busy. Today we're continuing. I know I said we're gonna work on accounting. We're actually gonna continue on the document stuff a little bit today. It's gonna be kind of a shorter stream. We're doing accounting this week. That's still true. We gotta get the advances and everything set up for shipments. We'll be starting down that path. I think this week we'll get like advances recording, so you can like add like accessorials, stuff like that. And then next week we'll work on the actual like accounting dashboards and like the process of like bills and invoices. That's what I'm expecting. We'll see. Hold on, my chat's not loading. What's going on, chat? There it is. Back in business. But yeah, so today, back to documents. Just cleaning up. We had a couple things. I think I'm just gonna dive into that. But yeah, man, it's gonna be busy the next month or so. Probably the side project, the carrier search stuff, be done in like 2 weeks-ish, hopefully in time for mats. That's what I'm shooting for. Wait, that's next week, right? Yeah, so hopefully you'll be launching like early next week. I got most of the data import done this weekend. Had some issues with some of the search stuff not working how I wanted. Maybe I'll do like a retro on that. It's kind of interesting, building fuzzy search for Postgres. Fun fact, if you do like the TS vector to like vectorize like strings or JSON columns or whatever, if they're null and you try to aggregate them and do like vector and vector and vector and like build one big vector, if any of those values are null, the entire value becomes null. Like null and another value is null. So I had some issues where if a row had a null entry and I was searching on that column, it would never come back. So like if I was searching for a company name that was like 1-to-1, if it had an empty MC number, that row would get excluded. So I had to go back to the drawing board on some of my search. Actually, I went back to how it worked originally and built like essentially like a vector column now that's being calculated. It's the representation of the data structure in vector form to be searched against. That way I can guarantee it's not null. But then that puts some limitations on like I can't search by certain columns like I wanted to originally. So there's just trade-offs. But we're getting there. I'm redoing the data import today to change the fields to make it search better. And then I'll be able to do searching so that it'll be like by relevance. So I'll be able to actually order like company name is, if a company name matches close, it'll come first. Versus like if an address matches, it'll be weighted less. So that's what I'm kind of working on right now in that project. Hey Nathan, how's it going? Watch this at 2 a.m. That is really late. You should probably go to bed. How have you been? Yeah, I've been good. It's just busy. Like I was saying, just busy time. A lot of projects in flight. I got another project we're working on that's not announced. It's coming out hopefully at TIA. We'll see. That's the goal. And then obviously we got LoadPartner TMS, the flagship. And then the Freight Frenzy game with Steven I'm working on the side, so hopefully adding more stuff there. I don't know. It's kind of almost too much, but it's going good though. Just busy, just a busy time. But anyway, like I said, today, too much is not enough. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's we're right on the cusp. Like right, it's like exactly. I like having a couple projects going at once, to be honest. I like having the ability to like throw myself into project A, and then when it goes sideways and I'm frustrated, I can jump back into project B. So, but it's just like I didn't expect the collision of like summers here or coming, like or whatever, and so like there's a lot of other stuff that's just summertime busyness that I didn't account for. So I'm a little drowning. Nathan, I'm gonna head out. See ya. Yeah, thanks for stopping by, Nathan. Have a good night. But man, I'm excited for all of it. All the projects are gonna be cool. It's gonna be crazy. Like by May, I'm gonna have launched like 4 things. So hopefully it's all worth it and people find use out of it. I'm really excited for the search carrier stuff. There's so much data, so much I can do. I just gotta get this data import working. So close. And like the issue I'm having today is I was trying to do the re-import of all this data, and some of the APIs I'm using are timing out because it's the middle of the day on Monday. So everybody's using them. Such is life. We'll get there. I just might have to do a slower way to do it to make it happy later today. But anyway, today, documents. Cleaning up documents. Want to take a look at this thing. Let me share my screen. We'll jump into some stuff. Let's see here. Oh yeah, here's my shirt, by the way, for the day. Feeling festive, you know? I almost made it a drinking stream, but decided not to. I don't know, maybe. Who knows? Time will tell. Time will tell. Alright, let me share my screen. Let's jump into some code. All greened up. Yep. Absolutely. Alright. Alright. I don't actually remember. Let's see, what do we got? Extensions and the file names. Let me see, did we merge all this? I'm assuming we did. Yeah, looks like it. Oh yeah, also something that we might check out soon is ddev. It's like a, I don't think it's for PHP specifically, is it? PHP and Node.js, I guess. Somebody recommended this in like a thread I was reading. Might check this out for the LoadPartner project. Make it easy to set up. It's just a layer on top of Docker to make some shorthands. But it had some stuff I like turning on Xdebug is really simple, which is like the debugging system PHP. Normally it's a pain. If Nick doesn't do this by Friday, we might do this Friday. Set this up because it looks pretty cool. There was let's see, where is it? Xdebug. Yeah. To enable Xdebug, you just run a command. ddev Xdebug is super nice. It's normally a total pain to set up Xdebug. So that convinced me. It's like, alright. Anyway. Editing file names, extensions. Let's see, where'd we leave off? Where did we leave off? Wish I could space out of that. Is it in here? Pretty nice. But so then the problem is that the .db can be changed here. I don't think we want that to happen. Or at least we could maybe... In fact, maybe we just do this on the front end. How do we want to handle this? We could do it on the front end and then like allow them to change it. So we could be like, hey, do you want to keep the old extension name? How does it work on like Google Drive? I don't actually know. I'll look really quick. Why rename on Google Drive? Yeah, you can rename everything on Google Drive. Maybe what we'll do is just say if you remove the extension here, it will auto add it back. So if you now save it as like you clear it and you go ASDF, it'll auto add .db to the end. I like that. Let's do that. And then people can change it if they want to. Edit file name. On edit name. Okay, document name. Here we go. So I think we go source ID. File name. So I think we go what is it? Is it source item dot name? Probably. So I think what we're gonna do is we go. I've had issues with Quad the last few days too. It's been sucking. Not gonna lie. Get the extension from source item dot name. I from test.csv get.csv. Okay. Okay. Keep the extension when updating the name. If new name dot includes dot the name, otherwise. Oh, look, it already did it. Perfect. That's what I'm thinking. See if this works. So now if I go in here, edit, if I go test, if I go, but then if I go keen dot, I think that looks good. I think the only thing we want to do is I think right here, we want to say on success, we don't care about any of this. I think we just set it. We go, what is it? Do it again if you thought you could get away with it. What's it called? Oh man, we're like so deep on this file. Remember we said we'd never open this again because of all the stuff that happened? Oh, we can't. Oh, okay, wait. Oh yeah, how do we do this? Wait, how do we do this? Because it's like nested, it's like in there now. Right. Let's see if I go like this and save. It stays when I edit again, it's missing. I feel like that's confusing. And the reason for that is this, we do. Actually, we can go check. Probably is probably the best way to find it. Here we go. Okay, yeah, here we go. Input value is item name. Item name. Key down. Yeah, how do we?
Mission control, Babel. We've come across a ship.
Maybe it's okay.
It looks alien. Nothing I've ever seen before.
It is a little confusing, I think. You go like, I would expect this to show it. Oh, does it? It just takes a second, maybe? Oh, you have to go off of it and back on, I think is what it is. Hold on. No, you just got to give it a second. But I feel like if you do this, all right, and I'm like, all right, let me just change it. Actually, you know what? Let me just go like back up. Be like, oh dang, it's wrong. And then be like, why is this wrong? Talking about the way my mind worked. Put the pen to the pad and make a universe. Fucking with Bobby and now you in a hearse. Shouldn't talk shit, just should have conversed in the first place. Moving at a good pace. Yeah, yeah. Some way, somehow. Force. Do we need to force a file extension? The alternative is we could make it so that on show, I think we can make this highlight. Instead of facing all my demons, feeling so complacent, think I need a change. Like breaking the 20, been breaking my mind out for money, been breaking my mind for like over a decade to get paid. I'm done with this debate. I'm done with this. I think this is okay. I think we just rock it. I think it's fine. Because the main use case, I'm just thinking, like if you're in here, on mobile especially, you're like, oh, I'm going to go edit my documents. I'm going down to BOLs. Boom. We should make this auto highlight first of all. But then if I go, oh yeah, you pop up your keyboard, right? And you're like, ASDF, enter. I don't want it to just, I'll be like, oh dang, I meant to add CSV back on there. Let's make it highlight. I think we're gonna want that. Check. Sorry, here. Check. Here we go. How do I even do this? How do I make an input auto highlight string? Current.select. Okay. So we can do item, which is a tree item display. So we've got an ID there, so we can go. Yeah, this looks good actually. Let's do this. Equals use ref HTML input element. Wait, do you not need anything here? I guess not. Yep. And then we'll just go ref equals input. Are you unhappy? Use effect, then imported. Use effect. Wait, why is this unhappy? Ret is not a send a legacy rep. Oh, weird. Oh, does this need to be like Wait, does it have to be like the input itself? What is this? I'm actually not sure. Let's see what's going on. Something goofy. Okay. So this feels. Claude's been struggling for me lately. Like the last few days. Like, look, it's been doing like edits that don't make any sense and all kinds of stuff. Oh, is that it? I was missing null. Is that really it? Guess so. Alright, let's try it. Documents, BOLs, edit. Cool. Does that focus too? It does, okay. I think we want to actually, can I say what we select? Equal to the current object. Can I make it auto select up to specific characters? I know we can, I just don't know how to do it. Set selection range. Okay. Set selection range. So I think we want to go. Oh. We want to go. Input ref dot current dot set selection range, and then here I think we want to go 0, 2, and then we go lit. Oh, it's final period equals. Let's just ask. Find the last period in the file name, or return the length. So, name or return the length. Last index of. Oh, there is a last index. Cool. Let's see if this works. Be cool. So if we go. Did not work. Let's just log it. Actually, hold on. Let me refresh first. Sometimes it's goofy. Okay. So we'll go console.log, final period. Let me just 0, 3, 2 to 5. Yeah. Seems fine. Documents, BOLs, edit. 12. That should be right. That's actually, I mean, it's right. It's just selection rate is not working. Do I need to select it first? Ref dot current dot set. Maybe I need to do this. Documents, BOLs, edit. No? Weird. What if I just go 3? Wait, that worked. Is it -1? Is that why? Why would this not work? Wait, what? Wait, why is that working? Wait, what the heck? Did I have something dumb in there? No, now it's not working again. But this is 12. Final period. But then if I go... Wait, that just worked, right? Wait, what the heck? Do I need to do it like this order? Ah. I see. There we go. Okay. Edit. There we go. That looks way better. And then when you type in, but you can still go. In which case, we're gonna take the defaults or take the extension. Maybe we don't do that now then, though. I think we don't. I think we get rid of that. Extension. Yeah, I think we get rid of that. Now that we're doing it this way, I think this is better. So now, documents, BOLs, edit. Then if you're on mobile, it's gonna pop up your keyboard right here because it's selected. Yeah, that's better. And if you're like, oh, I don't know how to actually do this on fake mobile, but you would select all of it, and you can just do whatever you want. Cool. Looks good to me. Let's go. Let's see, what are we doing? Permissions. Oh, and merging the enums today. Yeah, that was horrible. The way we did that, I think. Okay. Cool.
Just came out of the winter. Just came out like a winner. Had a breakdown, could have stayed down, figure. Rather die trying than to live like quitter.
Alright. This is good. This. You know what? Let me just go, Garrett. Documents, clean up. Just make sure what we got going on here. Should be good. We can reset this. Cool. Oops. I think I have it auto pushing now, actually. I do. Okay, cool. Nice. Oh, I should have added the ticket in there. Oh well. Let's do this. Cool. I think that'll connect it. Let me see here. Oh, it might not until we do ready for review, possibly. Let me should run. Actually, sale. Check. I've been using Composer Run Dev for other stuff lately. I kind of like having stuff locally, not through sale. I don't know. There's trade-offs. I think sale is probably the smarter move. I like not having that layer you have to deal with all the time. Cool. Looks good. Alright. Wait, did that connect it? No. I think that should have done it. Maybe it will once I do ready for review. Alright, permissions. Based on the parent object. So I think we just say... For document permissions, I could see in the future there's going to be like specific folder permissions probably or something goofy. But I was thinking it'd be nice if we could just tie it to, like, if you can view a shipment, you can view shipment docs for now. And then we can change that later if we need to. So in order to do that, We have, luckily. So we go app, actions, documents. Yeah, okay, so we have all this. We have the authorize. We can just, I think we can just go public function author. Or, wait, am I wrong? Is it just not completing me for some reason? Okay. I thought it was like authorized, but I don't know why it's not completing me. Validation. Oh, right there at the top. Authorized. Yeah, wait, that is authorized. To see this action. Yeah, that should be fine. Wait, you don't have to run. Yeah, cool. So we'll just go public function. I don't know why that's not completing. It's weird. Action request. And there's some weird stuff here if I remember correctly. I don't know if document actually comes through here. It might not. But basically what I'm thinking we do is we go document, what do we call it? Documentable. Equals document, documentable. And then we can say, we go like shipments and go, I'm positive we put this in here, right? Authorize. Here we go. Ooh, so we gotta map it. So we gotta go permission, enums. Shipment policy. Does this use that? Guess it's just gonna be true. I don't know why these are false, but here we're doing create, update, delete, restore. Yeah, I think we can do this in here. Let me think about how to do this. Let me ask AI. I want to use the policy attached to the given documentable model via gate check if they can view it. So we go user can view. Okay. Wait, documentable is not a many, right? Why is it doing that? Documentable. Morph to. Yeah, it's one. Authorize. If document is not attached to a model to allow access. That's probably okay. Let's see if this works. So this is going to use, for example, if it's attached to a shipment, it's going to actually use shipment policy, which we currently have set to true because we decided that everybody can view a shipment. Yeah. We can get more granular later and add like per permissions for documents or whatever, but for now I think this is gonna be fine. That's a bridge to cross later when we have people using it that are asking for specifics, I think. I don't want to get too ahead of myself abstracting here. Okay. So what we can do to test this, go artisan tinker and we go document first. Is this gonna work? Sale artisan cat. Is it nested? I don't feel like it is. Models document first. Guess not. Oh, because I'm not logged in. Auth, login, user first. Okay. Okay, cool. So there's a shipment. Right. So now let me go get document. Let me go. I don't know if this runs. I think it's only for controllers. So let's just do a direct. Let's just go auth user can view document first. I don't know if this will work or not. Okay, cool. Well, that would be nice if it did. Models, documents. Okay, but then if I go now to shipment, ooh, wait, no, that's not what I want to do. Document first, documentable. Okay, there we go. Now if I go to shipment policy, let's just change this to false, just for testing sake. Go back, log in, should be false. That's true. Should I logger? I'm gonna do logger in here. Logger hit. I mean, it's not gonna get hit because it can't work. So, can view. What is this? Shipment 10. User can view. Oh wait, is it cause login? True. What? Where's this going through? Like, what's this hitting? Is it doing document? It should be documentable, right? And it should be hitting. I would think it would be hitting this. But now I'm unsure. What if I say false? Oh, I wonder if this overrides. I bet this overrides it, actually. Hold on. I wonder if it checks both of these when you do this. Logger hit 1. Logger hit 2. Yeah, I wonder if that's what's happening. No, wait, what? How can I see where this is going? User can view. Is it using document policy? It shouldn't be. In fact, I thought this defaulted to false. Oh, I'm a super user because I'm the org admin. That's why this is happening. Do I have two users? User. No. Okay, just create a second user really quick. Not what I meant to do. Register. Oh wait, I gotta wait, hold on, test. Maybe I should create a second user by default. Like an admin and a regular. In fact, test at test. Hold on. Demo org seeder. Let's do this. Yeah. Let's go admin user, regular user. Let's go test. Let's go admin. Let's go user. Test admin. Oops. Test admin. Test user. Password can be the same. This is gonna be admin user. Create org membership. Can I do more here? I can't remember. Why is my autocomplete like not working today? The heck? Something is like definitely not right. Weird. Okay, that's fine. So that's admin user. We need it. No, we don't need this. Regular user. Same thing here. Okay. Admin regular, admin. Okay. Cool. And then we can go terminal and go sale artisan dev refresh. Yes. Cool. All right, let's try again. Actually, we don't need to log in. Let's go sale artisan thinker. Check out shipment policy. I think it's gonna work now. So if I go user get one, this should be our regular user, and then we can go can. Okay, wait. No, let's do this. Actually, you know what? I don't care. Oh, we gotta upload a document. Okay, user test.com, password, login. Yep, I know. Go the first one, documents. Let's upload something. Let's go with classic keen picture. Looks awesome. Oh, you know, we need like a way to download these. Wait, how did we miss that? There's no way to download the file. Oh, because it's a preview, I guess. We have a ticket for that. We should have a download. I guess it should be like... maybe double click. I thought it was double click. We can change this back to double click to edit. And single click will open it. Or maybe we have a view icon. Anyway, doesn't matter. Let's see here. So if I go can view document. Oh, we could just do it in the document, right? First. We can just do it in a document policy. App, documents. Oh, models. Duh, that would be way better. Okay, let's do this. Let's create a documents policy. New folder, documents. Document policy. And then we just go view any. Can view any models. I guess we just say return true here because like I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay, and this is gonna be documents, and then we just go return user can view documentable. Boom. Can it create? And it's gonna be can create. Apparently you can create a model. I guess by I think we can pass extra stuff into this, so let's go model documentable, and we will update this to take a documentable. We'll force it to be a model. Okay, that'll work. We just gotta update that call in a minute here. Should be fine. Document. We don't really need actually, we do have soft deletes. I'm just gonna get rid of these for now, though. We're not really gonna use them, so. Document, and then final thing, can delete. Okay. So if I can view, okay, this should work now. Actually, I might actually not have permission. False. Okay, cool. So now, if I go back here, go back here, log out. Let me log in as admin really quick. Admin at test.com, password. I know. Organizations. Okay, roles, new role. Pass. We should create a default role. I know we have a ticket for that, but so if we go, wait, everybody can view shipments though. Oh, we did this. Hold on, let's see if it. Nothing in there though. Shipment policy. This was already false. I'm just gonna return true. Hold on, let's try this again. This is a terrible test. I'm realizing. Can view document policy. How do I see what policy is being used for a given eloquent model? I've been using Gemini. I'm not gonna lie. The last few days, because I feel like Claude's been struggling. Through convention, right? So documents, document. I mean, oh, didn't we do that before? I swear I did that exact same thing before. Which is wrong. Okay, we'll see if it's logging now. Logger. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we're not hitting the logger. Wait for view. We should be hitting it for this though. Is it because I wonder if it has to do with this being like, hold on, can I go like, oh no, this isn't even getting hit. Oh, we can actually, oh, that's cool. So I can go get policy for this. Oh. None. How? Documents. Oh, wait, no, yeah. Models, documents. Sale, artisan, model, show, documents. Or actually, it's document, right? Is it going to be documents, document? At model dot, oh. What is it? Is it 3 backslashes? I don't know. Okay. It's totally gonna show it in here. I knew it. I would say Cloud's Strike today should almost break my game. Yeah, dude. I literally yesterday I stopped using it because at one point I was asked it to make a migration change to this really big migration. I like made the first 3 and I had like 100 rows or columns to change, and I was like, okay, make the same changes to the other columns. It sat there thinking for like over a minute. And then it changed a single line and was like, I made the updates. And I was like, the fuck you did? And it's like, oh, it seems my edit didn't work. Let me try again. And then it did the exact same thing. Like the exact same change. I was like, you're very broken. Very broken. Document policies in here, so I don't understand how, why, what. Document policy. Sale, artisan, optimize. Maybe it's something there freaked out. I don't know. Artisan Tinker. Alright, so this returns null. Get policy returns null, but show model returns a policy listed. What the heck is going on? It's returning null with a model show command. Documents. Document policy. But it's showing it. That's what's weird. Sale artisan. Let's do a specific cache clear, I guess. I mean, that should be covered already, but weird. Auth service. No, it's not in there now. It's like an app service now. Try registering the policy manually. Try that. The heck? App policies, documents, document. What is going on? What point grab out of this? What the heck? App policies documents. Guess policy names using. Replace models with policies. Model class policy. What the heck? App policies. Documents. Document policy. Document. App policies. Documents. Document policy. Why? What the heck? Also, what's it returning when I do this now? Wait. Oh no, it shouldn't matter. Yeah. It's saying false, which is expected. What about shipment? Is it not working now? App models. Shipment first. Shipments. False. Wait, it should be able to though. Is it because... Hold on. Is it because that user's not in a role? I wonder. Just give him a role. Sure. I wonder if that's the problem. I mean, I don't know why the policy wouldn't be registering, but... What the heck is going on here? String replace models with policies. Hold on. Logger, info, policy name. Yes. I swear we ran into an issue like this before, and I don't remember what it was. I thought it was like, I want to say it was like the namespace was wrong or something goofy. I should have recorded these, I thought. Laravel startup error. Okay. So there's something on my extension. That's probably why it's not working. It's probably my autocomplete's not working. So wait, if I go like this. Why is, okay, PHP artisan, optimize clear. Now if I do this. Can I not log this here?
I don't do the most, but I do a lot.
How that?
I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive.
Why? View error.
No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in.
Wait, is this plugin? Wait. What is this? Task keys. What is going on? Is the Laravel plugin broken right now? Did they break it? Or do I? Is it related to what's wrong with what's happening right now? What have we changed? That looks okay. A lot in here. But again, what does it say? Vendor. So PHP vendor Laravel. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Wait, yeah, it's in the vendor file. Wait, what the heck? Is this breaking my project? Laravel IDE. Discover EA something. Here we go. Yeah, I know. Off data. This is line 98 in this bash, but it's probably not the same. 98. Model property get value. Wait, what is this? What the heck happened? Hey, how's it going? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Happy St. Patty's Day. Working through some weird issues with policies right now. And Laravel not recording for some reason. Don't know why. They show if I compare. I'm also gonna error my Laravel extension. It makes me feel like something is broken that's just throwing a weird error. It's causing the app boot up to like not work correctly. I would expect like another, like there's nothing in the logs though. Empty. But if I go sail model show document. Oh look, there now it's running. Okay, so so it's running there. Weird. Okay, so in the boot, this is running here. Right? Happy St. Patty's Day, learning a ton. Cool, man, yeah. So hopefully you find it entertaining as I'm sitting here trying to figure out what's wrong with this thing. We're gonna figure it out though. We overwrote the guest policy name using thing at one point. I don't remember why. It's weird to me that this policy works. Hold on, does this work if there's not a policy though? Like even if there's not actually a policy there. Like if I go document folders doesn't happen, right? So if I go models, documents, document folder, does it show a policy even though there's not one? No. It doesn't. You know what? Let's restart Docker. Because this is weird. I think this should work. Create. We do need to figure out the create situation, but okay. This should be broken now. Dev. No errors. Looks happy. Okay. So now let's go back into Tinker really quick. It might have lost our history. So if we go user, we should get. Hold on. Let's throw a log back in there. We should hit this. And it should be view. It should actually return true because anybody can view a shipment on their org. So if I go first, no, sorry, get the first one, can view. Oh, we gotta upload a document again. So that was quick. Okay, our database. Never mind, we don't actually. Our database stayed. Document. So we gotta go app, models, documents, document first. False. What if I go documentable? Oh wait, what? Wait, did we lose our actual? Is that why it wasn't working? Oh my gosh, that's probably why it didn't work. We still have to log in to be able to read the documents. User get one. We tried to get fancy. Okay, it didn't matter though. Wait, let's see if there's logs. Oh wait, we're getting in there now. Alright, okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Okay, so that was our issue before. Because we have our organization trait that like limits, you can't query the documents table without being logged in because it's trying to like filter it by the organization you're part of. So we were passing null in before, which was always false. You'd think that would throw an error, but apparently not. Okay. Okay. Progress. So now, let me go auth user just to put that in there. Now we're actually getting the log of here. Right? That's great. This is where I need that dev I was talking about earlier, so I can X debug. And we could get more visibility into what's going on. I'm gonna set that up this week at some point. Okay. So now what I want to do is I want to say gate policy for this. First, we'll do this. Gate policy. Oh, get policy 4 is what I want. Let's try that again. Get policy 4. Okay, we got our document policy. Great. So now if I go documentable, null. How do I do this? Okay, I have the wrong thing. This is getting the builder. All right, we got to figure it out. So this was basically the problem was that this with the parentheses, that is actually passing in the query, like the relationship builder, so that you could go like, you know, whatever, I guess block, whatever you want to do. If you don't pass the parentheses, it's passing the actual documentable object, which is the shipment, which it then maps to the shipment policy, yada yada. Now we log in and then we try again. We should get true. Money. What ID? Yeah, it's cursor, aka VS Code with more. I have the cursor auto suggest turned off though. Like cursor tab, whatever they call it, cursor plus cursor tab, yada yada. Okay, cool. I think it's working now. So now, nice. We just need to make sure all these policies have. Yeah, sweet.
And I like the fact that
that should make life easy.
Everything that he tries
so
to
now, the last thing we need to do is to create document. Well, I guess we need to add the authorize everywhere, huh? We don't actually have to do this anymore. Now we can just pass in the document, which is sweet. Love that. So clean. So clean. Now let's throw this other stuff in here. So, can delete. Okay, so update should be okay, I think. Document policy. We get it. Yeah, we do. So here, it's easy. We just, it's an update. And update, yes. Okay. The last one, this is the one we got to tweak a little bit. So for can create, we don't actually have a document at this point because we're trying to create one. So what we have to do is a little goofy. I'll be honest. We have to do this. We basically, in our request, we are passing alright, let's take a step back here. So we are gonna go we gotta get in the create request, we're not passing, we're not actually getting like the documentable object like the shipment. We're saying we want to create a document of type shipment with ID 5 or attached to. We don't actually have like a document object with the relationship built, so what we need to do is pull those out of the request itself. So we need to go documentable type equals request input documentable type, and then documentable ID equals request input documentable ID. Okay. That should do it. And then we now have a documentable. So this will be like a like at this point we're basically getting, taking a step back. Documentable is an enum where we've got the mappings. Again, we want to make an alias system for this in the future, but for now he's got mappings to classes. So we get like, if we get shipment, it's going to bring back shipment class. We're going to say, okay, cool, get class name. And our enum, so that's gonna give us our shipment class. We're gonna say find where shipment ID is 5, whatever, and that's now our documentable. So now we can say the user can create against documentable, in which case documentable will be a shipment. So it's gonna go, oh, that's a shipment, jump over to shipment policy and say, can they create a shipment? If they can create a shipment, then they're able to upload documents to a shipment. In fact, maybe we don't do create here. Maybe we actually do edit. Because you're like altering an existing one. So maybe we do edit instead. Or update, I mean, not edit. I think that makes more sense. You're not really creating a shipment, you're really modifying a shipment. So I think that would be a better check to run. Nice stream. Thank you. Thanks for swinging by, hanging out. Okay, I think we're good now. I think permissions will just work. Let's try it. You know, I realized also, did we add documents to all these? Yeah. That stream Friday or whatever was something, huh? So we don't have any of the documents plugged in here. So let's do that really quick too. Actually, before we do that, I'm gonna push this out because I think this is good. It's good. It's good. Wait, document policy. Can view, can create. Wait, I need to change this too. And this. I think it's a little weird to map create to not create when everything else is mapped to create. But I think when we create a document, we don't really want to check if it can create a shipment. We want to see if it can edit a shipment. So I think we're going to change this to update. I think that makes more sense. Yeah. And then actually, that means on create document, I think we want to say arguments. We'll check something in a minute. We also have the extra user we're creating now. I think this looks good. We do check shipment. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay. So mission's working now. Okay, yeah. So I want to check one thing: document policy, and then also what I say, create document. So we're doing a manual update. We're actually calling update directly. I kind of feel like we should make this logic live in document policy. Right now we're skipping document policy entirely here. And we're actually just saying, just check the update on shipment directly. Or whatever we pass in. I think we want to always go through document policy. To do that, I think we have to say... I think we have to say like document class. I think this is how you do it. Oh. I think this is how you do it. Let's try it and see what happens. So in document policy, let's just made it. Let's jump back into Tinker really quick and just test this. That way it all flows through document policy, so later when we need to make changes, we just go in there. Instead of being like, oh, there's one place where it doesn't use create. Okay, so we need to log in, and then we'll say can create document whatever class. Too few arguments, perfect. I think this means it's gonna work. And if I go app models shipments first. Shipments, right? Made it. Okay, cool. I guess we should actually also dump just to check. Pretty sure that's gonna work, but just, you know, double check. Log in and cool. All right, yeah, we're good. That's better. That's way better. Yeah, that's way better. Cool. Centralizing off into document policy. Cool. All right, let's add docs to carriers, customers, and facilities really quick. So let's go to shipment show really quick. We have our... Actually, hold on. Let me go back one step. We don't have... I think we got to add has documents, if I remember correctly. Sorry, not shipments. Shipment. Yes. Has documents. Cool. So let's jump over to carrier. Has documents. This is from last week, so this basically is going to make it so that we have documents that get pulled in. Has documents. It'll like define the relationships and everything. So jump over to facility. I think it's the last one we got to do. This is good for now. And then the other thing we need to do is looking at shipment resource. I think we attached this, right? Yeah, so this is something I was thinking about us redesigning a bit. This documents has like when loaded thing. I don't know, maybe we just drop it both in for now. Try not to over-engineer too much. Why is customer resource an ID and a name? Is that really all we put in there? Feels unlikely. It would be nice to like be able to include a trade or something. It would just do this, but facility resource. Yeah, like so how does like facility controller. Yeah, how do we load this? Show I mean, I guess it's just really simple. I don't know. Let's see what happens here. And then, is this really all we use? Hold on, customer controller. Did we really do it that differently? Where we like customer resource? That's it? Does it like load in the? Wait. And that's index or show. Wait, yeah. So customer show. Does that just load everything async? I guess. I mean, it must. Customer details. Like notes. I think notes load separately. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's not really that big of a deal to just do like this way, and then it loads once, which feels nicer to me. And it's conditional, so it's not going to come back unless you ask for it, basically. Which I think it's fine. All right, cool. So we got the resources updated. We need to update the types. Types. I really need to split these out. This file's way too big. So now I need to go to shipment. Oops. Carrier. Yeah, look, wait. How is there all this stuff in carrier? Was that in? Oh, was it customer that didn't have it? Customer. Yeah, okay. Okay, well, that seems a little inconsistent in how we're doing that, but could be worse. I like passing it in at the top level, to be honest, on this, I think. Right, because we're not going to have that many documents. Then it's just references to the documents. Where do we make documents load? I mean, we could make the documents document list. We could make this component just take these types and load. Wouldn't be that big of a deal. Do we have a documents endpoint? I don't remember. I don't think we defined one, right? Not like get documents. We have get document. Thoughts. The page would load faster. Because we could return, like, get documents for type, basically. Like the index, like we could do, like, route get documentable. Is it underscores here? No. Documentable type. Documentable ID. Get documents. It, It's almost like list. Update document, delete document. Get document. I'm being inconsistent, and I know. I'm sorry. I feel like we need to move we need to readdress the controller action scenario at some point. But hey, we're going fast, you know. I think it's gonna be get all documents. Class. Name. Index. And then we just go get all documents. Be documentable. You know what? I think we go documentable type, and then we go string document return document where I don't actually remember what they are. Okay, it's underscores. We're documentable type. Where ID. It's documentable ID. And that's, oh, you know what? We need to get. Yeah, see, this is kind of a weird one because I kind of want to return folders too. This is where we came up with like a name for like the document section. Like I was talking about like cabinet, it could be like get cabinet. Documents and folders. I hate having ands in there though. With folders. Because then basically we can return documents. And then folders. How did we do this before? Let's go to get resource really quick. Oh, it's under the model. So maybe we do go through the model. That probably makes more sense to centralize it actually anyway. Documentable equals documentable get no. Oh, we've got it right. Documentable type get class name. Find or fail. Documentable ID. And then we just go like this. Documentable documents. And documentable. What do we do over here? This. And then for HTML response, is there one? I don't think so. None. I guess we'll just go return response, redirect to the back, redirect. There we go. That's what I was trying to do. And for this we go. Ooh, yeah. It's gonna be like return. I guess we just return the. Wait, why do we get this? I guess this is just gonna be an array, huh? Not our best work. Maybe this is like get folder details. This just feels better though. Okay. So we got documentable type and string documentable ID. And this handle is going to be documentable type, and documentable ID. Documentable ID looks great. And it's going to be, let's see here. Yeah, I think we'll do... We didn't do paths like this for create, did we though? We did like a get with like the params. Or I mean a post, right? Post, store. So maybe we do the same thing. If I pass in shipments. What enums do we have on the front? Do we have them? Enums. No, we didn't really do it. Documentable. So we probably need this again. Cool. What do I want? Wait, can I do... Is there Pascal case? Pass. No way. Oh. Lowercase. Pascal case. Nice. Cool. So now we got documentable. Just shipment. That's what they were, right? Yeah. So it's gonna take a... So if we're looking at our get documents with folders, we're gonna get a documentable type. Okay, cool. You know what we should do? Actually, it would make more sense to go... Like, we have so many extra steps here. Why is that not in our documentable? Right? Or is it? I just forgot. Because we go public this. Oops. Public function find model or find. Maybe it's model find is what we'll call it. String ID turns a model, and this is just going to be all this good stuff. Return this get class name find or fail ID. Why is my autocomplete not working? It's so annoying. It's gotta be that Laravel extension not having a good time still. Can I like refresh it? It's so weird. Not sure. It would be nice if it worked. Could use it. Alright, well this is much better though. So now we can go documentable is documentable model find documentable ID. Cool. Finds the model based on the type, class mapping, and the provided ID. Nice. Okay, that's gonna be get what we call it? I don't think I renamed it yet. It's probably the problem. Get documents with folders. So it's gonna return documents and folders like this. And then we'll say documentable equals documentable type model find documentable ID. I think that this will work. And then I can go document class documentable. That way we go through our policy like we just did a second ago. Okay, I think this will work. So I think what we can do is we can just add a flag to document list to like auto load or something. Get documents with folders. And in that case, we will use documents index and pass the types. So now document list, we can say load, what do we call it? Auto load documents equals false. Auto load documents boolean. And then we'll just say if remaining documents equals, yeah. We definitely set documents somewhere, don't we? Pretty sure we do. Wait, do we not? Maybe we don't. Maybe actually, maybe what we do. Maybe we wrap this. Maybe like auto-loaded documents list. Like auto-loaded documents list. And then this would just be like export default function auto-loaded documents list. And then it'll be like just these two. Okay. Right. And let's go auto loaded documents list props. Oh my god. So interface or type? I can't remember. Interface. And then documentable type string. Actually, this is going to be a documentable, right? Documentable ID. Like a string. Sure. Also, these are like this, right? Yes. This needs to be updated too. Documentable. So then this becomes documentable dot shipment. Nice. We'll just test it on shipments too, might as well. So basically, my thought process here is if we want to pass them in a load, we can. Otherwise, if we want them to auto load, we can do that too. Now, everybody wins. Okay. So we need to go back. Let's go back to auto load. Let's finish that up really quick. So basically, this is going to be really simple, I think. Which is just going to be returning documents list. What are you unhappy about? Just that it's missing stuff? Okay. So documents is going to equal documents. Documentable ID is going to equal documentable ID. And then it's going to be document type. It's going to equal document type. And folders is going to equal folders. And then we're going to go const documents set documents equals use state, or is it capital A array? Or is it just array? Today? Must be. Requires type. It's gonna be document. Oh, right, that's why. It's like, I don't feel like I've used this. Because I haven't. Like this. And then const folders set folders equals use state.
Quentin Thomas to Mission Control.
Folder.
We've come across a ship. It looks alien. Nothing
Boom.
I've ever seen before.
Alright, what are we not happy about? Is this an int? Is it ever gonna not be an int? Probably not. That's fine. Okay. Now we do. How do we do this? Is it a use effect? I guess so. So we go, what? Documentable. What do you think about this? Can this be a initial state? Can that be async or no? I don't know if that can be async. I'm gonna ask AI. Can my initial use state be a fetch request async? I don't know. No. Use effects. Okay. Wait, give me your thoughts back. There we go. Yeah, I didn't think so. Okay. So, in that case, we're gonna go use effects. This is gonna be annoying. It's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be super annoying. That's okay. We're gonna go fetch route documents.index. Documentable type. Documentable type. Can I do like dot value or something? How do I get the value out of this bad boy? Maybe it'll just give me the value like I want it to. I mean, that'd be cool if it did. Params. Okay. Okay. So that should be my route. Right? So get dot then result or response, I guess. With it's gonna be response.json, right? With data equals response. Okay, cool. And then we know this is gonna be I think it's gonna be mad about this. Documents, document, folders, document, folder. Okay. Wait, is that really it? Also data. Something else is wrong. The promise any. Is this a promise? Wait, really? Okay. I wonder if that's gonna complain. We don't get a complaint here, so maybe it's okay. But basically, we'll do set documents, data.documents, set folders, data.folders. Yeah. And then we'll keep it logging for now, just for test. And we'll also do a loading. Const is loading, set is loading, do state. I guess we'll use false for default. We'll say it set is loading true. And then we'll say set is loading false. Then we'll say is loading else the document list. And this will put a skeleton. Skeleton last name equals. I don't care. Full width. Oh, I guess for height we'll do like 100 pixels or something. That's probably fine. What are you unhappy about? Skeleton not imported. Or an enum type. Do I need to? Okay. Fragment it is. I don't think this is imported. It did not. Okay. Cool. So now we change shipment documents list. Okay, documents list. Let's just find it. All right. If I go here and I go auto load document list. I think it's time to become a parent. I don't got mine, and plus I'm scared that having a child is gonna. Does it work? Documents. No. Something broke. Laravel log. Invalid route action. Get all done. Oh. Wait, did I name this wrong? Yeah, all done. Wait, what? Get documents. Folders. Wait, what? Okay. Documents. Oh, app enums document documentable is not instantiable. Started off right, then he lost his light. Said that he would do all things to Christ. I mean, he did do all things. Never really had respect for no rappers. Okay, that's fine. Let's go. Document. I mean, what's the motive? When you do something good, but you need everybody to notice. I don't know, bro. I just wonder if they do the same thing when the cameras ain't rolling. This got me hot. Men get their body count up, they belt get a notch. I don't understand. Documentable. Try from. Documentable type. Y'all gotta stop pulling up to these protests and you hop out. Get you a sign, take you a shot, then post it online. This same thing. Documentable. Try from. I'm surprised that that's
well. When all of them
What did it do? Actually, hold on. What did it do? What's the
I look down at Steph, just shot me a text. I go for the heart like
shipment?
Owen and Brett.
Oh wait, is it shipments?
Get off my chest. It's funny how all of these
Documentable ship. No, it's shipment. Looks legit to me. I don't know. Documents. Wait, same error, huh? Unable to resolve dependency string documentable type. Wait, why? How? Documentable type. It's doing exactly what I want it to do, funny enough. So I'm surprised it's breaking. Right? Look. Yeah, you guys. Oh, I'm kind of covering it, sorry. But the route is localhost, documents, shipment, 10. So this, I mean, that should be it, right? Was there something with like authorization that we couldn't do this before? I feel like there was. I don't remember what it was. We should change all these to use the policies. Maybe it was notes? Yep. That's so dumb. I hate that. Wait, so all these aren't gonna work either. So we gotta fix all those. Ugh. Lame. So we can go like this. Oh wait, whoops. And I think this is the not converted version, right? Where was I at? It's like in notes, right? Quest note. Oh no, maybe we do. Okay, maybe we do get the actual object at least. Okay. Okay. Hate it. That's okay. Documentable. I think we can still do this here. So. Let's see what this does. I think this will fix it, and then we'll fix the other endpoints really quick. Documents. Not valid JSON object. Okay. Oh, we need to say we need to say where's options? Fetch. We need to specify JSON response. We need to tell we want JSON back. Otherwise, it's giving us. There we go. I think that'll do it. Well, I saw it flickering, so we got a different issue. We have an infinite loop now. But it's progress, I think. Alright. Set is loading to false. We're doing a use effect. We're not actually... Oh. Wait, no, it should be running once in that case, right? Why? Is it because documents and folders gets reset inside of documents list? Is that why? Hold on. Let's just go, I don't know, I guess. Man. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Oh, dang. So because we do stuff with documents in here? Wait, do we? Remaining documents filter. I think we need to clone this. Encounter two children with the same key. Folder undefined. Folders, documents, folder undefined. Wait, it's giving me the regular folder name. That's not what I want. Document folder. It should be a document folder resource. Document folder resource. Oh, wait a second. Our endpoint needs to change. Get. We need this. This actually needs to go document document resource collection. Yeah. What is this giving me? Folders. Does this give me like the list of names? Yeah. Oh yeah, and then document folder. Oh man, we did some weird stuff with this, right? Because didn't we like do if it's an enum? Yeah. Okay, wait. So this might actually just work. It's kind of weird and confusing now, so I'll probably definitely hate myself in the future. But we should just be able to do this, I think. I think that's gonna fix it. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, but see, like it didn't load the change because we cloned it. Oh yeah. Okay. Because we cloned it. So we need to like. Wow, this is kind of weird actually. So I think what we actually need to do. Okay, hold on. This might get us yelled at by the linter because it feels really weird, I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. I think folder. We're getting into the point where like I'm starting to understand React enough to get myself in trouble, I think. Data.documents. Folders equals data.folders. Basically, I don't want to actually track changes after the initial. I think by not using state here, it won't. But because I'm changing loading, it's going to force a re-render, which is going to cause the folders to load in, I think. Okay. Did not work. I guess because it passes it once and because it doesn't change, it doesn't pass it again. I was hoping it just wouldn't pass it at all. In fact, yeah, right? Dang. That's tough. There's no console logs. I mean, worst case, we can just make documents let's load async every time. Just make it standalone. It's probably fine. I kind of like the idea of it not... I mean, it has to, like, be connected somewhat. What time is it? 4:09. All right, I'm using the restroom really quick. I'm not even gonna get coffee. Just step away. I think something's gonna click. So, give me 1 second. Here, I'll even start the. Hold on, can I do this? Let's see. And it's not really a coffee break. I just want to copy. Let's see here. We can throw the timer on here. I'm gonna say 4 minutes, maybe. It's probably not even that long. Okay, I'll be back.
Glasses up like cheers. Yeah, yeah. She's choking back tears. Yeah, haven't been home all year. Would you bring me back? Thought we would just forget that. I'm a little upset, you couldn't tell. Thought you were dead to burn in hell. Every regret is spinning carousel. So just please don't think I'm a mistake. Apologies for hanging late, trading my love for temporary away. I won't let you get away unless you look me in the face. Tell me what I did anyway. Apologies for hanging this. Only thing in life you can trust. Nothing like a little tough love. Would it be asking too much? I mean, fuck this up. Too little late now, huh? I'm a little
All right. Nothing came to me. Not gonna lie. Nothing came to me. I really want to auto-load this. I guess I could ask AI. What other changes do we have? We should probably push some stuff out. We got a lot going on. I think everything else looks pretty good though. Change to folder auto load maybe. Okay. So auto load documents list. So this, and then inside it actually it's for auto load document. Auto load document. Am I crazy? Auto loaded. I'm gonna change that right now. Hey, you crying face? Yeah, I know. Or like the laughing. That's how I feel. Honestly, that's how I feel. Okay. How can I make this component wrap the underlying component and load the data one time, then hand off without tracking changes from the underlying component? So change it back to using state, but I don't think this works. Right, because we get an infinite loop. Oh. Right, hold on. Fresh. And infinite loop. Wait, why is it not infinite looping this time? Well, regardless, it's not like updating the state like it needs to. Why is it not updating the state now? Is it because... Is it because of inertia taking care of some magic for us? Because look, if I move a file, we get the whole payload again. Which is causing the document... It's causing that component to re-render normally, but because we're not tracking it, I don't know why it was infinite looping before though, but we did have a bug before, I think, maybe. I am unsure. Let me take a look. We might. I don't want to lean too hard into inertia. Polling. I don't want to do polling either. I mean, we could just make the component handle it, right? Like inside documents list. The problem is if there's multiple people in there moving stuff around, it could get out of sync across many users. Whereas if it uploads and does a hot swap, it looks alright. Dang. What if we do this? What if we lazy load it? Like that could work. Instead of plugging it into the shipment resource, like on shipments controller here, just like we do stops, we could do documents, render, and then this could be shipment documents, right? Document resource collection. Same thing here. Document folders. I don't know how this works. I'm not gonna lie. Go over here, right? Is it just? Can't remember. Shipment resource. Let's get all document folders. I don't really like this that much though. Also, does this work? Do I need to do like use? Or no? User all. What about if I pass? Yeah, 'cause I'm doing. I think it's gonna be like this, right? Use shipment? No? Maybe something with like the lambda functions don't require that. Which should be kind of weird. Okay, let me think about this. So if we did it like this, we would go back to shipment show. We would add documents to this. We would say documents, document, oops, no, document, this, and we go, I think we've got to name document folders at this level, for sure. Folder. Oh, whoops, document. Folders. Documents, document folders. I think we would do it like this. And then you would go down to auto load documents. You would go like this. Documents. But see, I think what's gonna happen here, what I think will happen here is because this is technically like, I think it renders, right? I don't think it's like not rendered. Because we're like referencing it, I think it'll load immediately anyway. Let's find out though. We can check in the payload. Or it just won't work at all. Also possible. Wait. So do I have to specify? Does it only load when I say?
With your jeans, cause you got it like that. Well, okay, tell me what y'all fake mad about the date. Now I'm great, cause I remember when
It will determine which day is required and then only will evaluate the closure. Lazy method to specify project generate unless explicitly requested. Oh, so you gotta reload. So it would be like, hold on. We're not gonna do it this way, but we would just be like this. On click equals router dot reload, and then you would say only. Oh yeah, here we go. Only reload only documents, document folders, right? This is a really goofy way to do this. I don't think we're gonna do it. Wait. There it goes. But see, like every time it reloads, it doesn't even pull documents in. Maybe if we track tab at the top, it could like do it that way. I guess we'll just load documents. I think we'll just go back to how we were before. And then if initial loads end up feeling kind of sluggish because we're starting to get too much on the page, then we can look at breaking stuff into async loads. I don't think that would be too big of a deal. I want it to feel snappy. I think there's a line.
Tag team champion belt of the world.
I feel like there's a line between speed, right? Like the typical, like, are we moving fast enough? This feels like one of those situations where just passing the documents in with the resource is probably the fastest way to do it. Just get rid of this auto load. I don't think we're gonna use this. Always go back to show, auto load. Yeah, it's a good idea. Let's see, hold on. Let me do a little time check here. So stuff today, we got permissions working pretty well. We didn't get document folders cleaned up. I don't know if we're gonna get to that today. Let's get it everything added though to the other places. I got a hard stop around 5 today, so can't go late. Okay. Anyway, so let's just make sure this works now. After everything we've done, documents. Yeah, cool. Cool. And then, did we wait? What are the changes we made here? Just turning it back. Okay. Cool. Let's add it everywhere else. So let's go to carrier show. We have our carrier. We already added documents and everything in here, right? Yeah. So carrier details, documents, documents. Here we go. Stay. There we go. So let's throw it in. Document list, carrier documents, carrier. Wait, why are you unhappy? Oh. Documentable, carrier, and carrier ID. I think that's it. Oh wait, we're unhappy. What's wrong? Type undefined is not assignable to number. I mean, is carrier really nullable here? Like, is this just here? Does this not work? Yeah. That's okay still though. Let's see. So if I go carriers, boom, documents. There we go. There's no default folders, so. Looks good to me. We gotta add custom folders at some point, and like folder management. I guess we'll do that as part of the enum fix. Might do that tomorrow. I don't know. We might come back to it. We really need to get previews done though. Is that even in here? Document, preview, download, set your functionality. This is required. This is gonna go in this week. Ability to download and do documents. Document list. Yeah, that's gotta happen. So, maybe we'll do this tomorrow. Maybe I will do that tomorrow. I know we're just. I feel like we're slipping a little bit on the timeline, but I think that's a requirement. So, definitely download and preview. But I really feel like even getting these folders cleaned up to be like able to modify is probably, yeah. Alright, anyway, so permissions is basically ready to go. So what are we doing right now? Oh, just adding we just gotta add it everywhere. What's good here? Let's go facilities. Partials. I hate that we broke this into details, but there's just a little bit of inconsistencies here and there that could have done a better job with. But we're moving fast. Moving fast. Okay, cool. At least we didn't do the knowable thing there. So we got customers. That's the last one. Alright, we did it here apparently though. That's fine. I think we can just change it. I don't know why I did that. Maybe there was some error before I understood what I was doing. Got a better grip now. Yes. Okay, so this looks good. We know this looks good. Let's go to customers. Boom, documents, looks great. Upload a little picture. What the truck? Shout out. Looks great. Editing work. Yep, looks great. Facilities. Documents. I don't care. My dog with a hat. Looks great. Cool. I think we're good. I think we got documents added everywhere. Nice. Nice. We just really need to add folders now. Take care of folders. It'll be a lot cleaner. Folder, document, work on the main stuff. Let's see if we got any issues with dev check. I think we should add like a funny like caption to the top of dev check. Like, it needs to be a meme. Like, let's see how you did. Will we allow this? Maybe it should be Cowbot. Ooh, we should do a Cowbot ASCII thing in there where it's like a little Cowbot, and then like if it fails, he'll be like a sad face. That would be fun, actually. Oh, PHP Sam is unhappy on something. Let's see what we get. Documents. We did do some magic in a couple places, so yeah. Okay, wait, so how do we do this? It's I need to say this model has the as documents. Great, somehow for we've done this before, I just don't remember how. No, I need no, you goof. I need it to be a helper comp for the winter. Var. That's might be right. I'm not totally sure. Model find on object string. Wait, what? Oh, this one? 55? It's gotta be this one. So this is to be linter, helper. Wait, can you do like as documentable? I wish. How can I say documentable type as type documentable? You know. I mean, okay, sure. Six. We made. Wait, hold on. We added errors. Contains unknown class at model. Oh, that'll show me. At models concerns. Is that what I should have been? Is this what I should be using instead of traits? What are concerns versus traits? Laravel concern versus trait. Wait, what is the difference? Concerns or traits? No comments. Very cool. Very helpful. What is the difference between concerns and traits? I've been using traits for things like past documents. Should I be using concerns? What are concerns? I'm getting impatient. I like am annoyed by how long it takes Claude to respond these days. Concerns. What's actually happening? Looking at your code. This shows that HASM is a trait. Wait, you don't need to change your. If you want to follow our risk committee, you might consider moving your traits into a concerns. That's stupid. That's it. That's the. That's not what I thought that was gonna be at all. No, we're keeping what we're doing for sure. Has documents is under app traits. I mean, no, yeah, I don't like that. Wait, what's wrong now? App trait. Okay, wait. Variable documentable has invalid type. This says has documents is an invalid type. Help me. Fix it. You need to update the doc box to use the correct namespace. It's not a concern. Wait, am I wrong? Wait, has documents. Do I have a typo? App traits. It does. Wait, what? Is not a subtype. Wait, PHP doc type var with type. Oh. Can I go like mix in? I don't know how this works. I need this to also say it's an eloquent model type. I'm guessing it's gonna be like or probably. It's kind of goofy, but I think that's what we need to do. Because it's saying it's an or, but document has an invalid type. Eloquent model. Oh, I got a cough. I hope I'm not getting sick. That'd suck. I bet it's all the pollen. Oh, the pollen's starting here in North Carolina. It's like literally the worst. Dang. I know there's a way to do this. Hold on. I have this code, but it fails to enter because it says it's not a subtype of eloquent model. Back from model find. Documents called later on. I think it's like mix in or something. Is it and? Maybe that's it. This might actually be it. Maybe. There we go. Okay, I think that was it. No. Didn't we do this for something else for like has notes or something? Maybe it was has organization actually we did it on. I swear we like had an issue with this.
And I like his determination And I like the fact that besides everything
I swear.
that he tries to do, he always submits himself and asks God.
Oh, you know what it was
to
in?
direct
Let me go to like
and
shipment
guide,
resource.
and so I like that humble part too.
No? Was it contacts we did it with? Oh, this is so annoying. I remember it trying to do the and thing before and it not being real. I remember doing like exactly the same thing before. Oh, it's not the issue. Like, that's definitely not the solution on that one. Dang. Well, I just have to add a ignore for this, honestly. I don't know how to get around it. And I'm not going to waste that much time on a lender today, to be honest. Did we fix this issue, though? For document contains an unknown class. Apt. Oh. Documentable. Yeah. I think that one should be fixed at least. But this is gonna break again. Actually, no, that should be okay. I think. Let's try it. 58. Call to model find on an unknown class. 54. Documentable type contains an unknown class. App enums. Isn't that real? App enums documentable. Oh, documents. Oh, wait, is that what the issue was up here? Did I have the wrong? It's not documents document has trade, is it? Has doc. No. Dang. Two errors, okay. 26 and 25. It's probably the same ones, right? Yeah, it's these. Because documentable is a model, is an eloquent model. What is? Can I use a mix-in? Hold on. PHP lent mix-in. I don't remember what it's called. Is it PHP doc technically? Mix-in. Oh. PHP docs. Mix-in. When a class delegates unknown method calls and property access to a different class using the mix-in doc. Template T mix-in. Like, I wonder if we can do this. Hold on. Can we go? Mix-in. Creates has documents. I don't know. I'm just throwing stuff at the wall at this point. It didn't actually throw an error though. Oh, mixing. I'm an idiot. How about this? How about we spell it right and then see if it works? I wish it would at least throw an error if it's not allowed. Because see, if I'm saying this is a mix-in has documents, then we should get this. As a method. Gemini, help! How do I tell Laravel PHP stand that a given variable that is an eloquent model also has a specific trait on it that allows it to have another method. Right now it fails because it says undefined property, but the model will always have a specific trait that gives it this new property. Okay. Like, shouldn't this just... Can I do this in line with the variable somehow? Okay. Oh, look, it's doing this thing again. Maybe the order's wrong. Maybe that's why it didn't work before. Oh, you know what? Did I have documentable type in there before? I might have. So it should be this. And app traits as documents. Right? Yeah. I wonder if the order matters. I wonder if it has to be the model first. Unresolvable types. That's probably this one. Right? Yeah. As documents. Dang. That's so annoying. What did it suggest something for the traits file before? No, it didn't even. It says the trait is, what is it? Unresolvable type? Unresolvable type. Okay. Fully qualified when you text directly in line. I am doing that. Dang. Sale artisan optimize. All right, I give up. I give up. So what? It's just these, right? Tell ESLint to skip these lines. Or not ESLint. I mean, ECN.
Even when I'm down bad, I know how to bounce back. I know I got her, and she look good, don't she? On top of that, she good for me. Made me wanna say,
Able to
even though I got plenty,
get happy.
if I'm down to my last penny, I still got her. I know I got her.
All right, that's fine. I mean, that's not fine. It's really annoying, to be honest. But I don't know how else to do that, to be honest. Like, I guess you would have to like. Can we do like a has? I mean, yeah. I mean, we'd have to like define an interface here probably to be like has trait somehow, which is rigid. I would say it's not very composable. Then we have to have all the possible combinations of types. All of that.
So
Where are we at? We've run into that twice now, which is unfortunate. So yeah, default documents. I'll probably work on that tomorrow, I think. I'll try to get the documents. I think we're gonna pull them out of enums and make them. I think we're gonna add like a default flag to folders. Are we? No, I think we're gonna add a table. Yeah, I think we're just gonna add a table for default folders. Do we need to do all that though? I gotta think about it. Do we really want a table? I don't really want a table, but it would let you tweak everything. But is that something we need to do right now? Probably not. Yeah, I think we might actually push this off. Adding folders later is not that big of a deal, because we did at least, luckily, make some good choices early on for leak my key. Just kidding. There's nothing on there. Let's see here. I just want to open up. So the good news is if you look at our folders, what we did, or sorry, not folders, documents. We have our types, which looks nice with our documentable ID, and our path. That looks good. We need to probably make it so that these download by the right name, but whatever. Anyway, our folder name is just a string. I think I want to stick with that. So it's really easy for us to add custom stuff there. And if a folder, it doesn't load by folders, it loads by documentable type, which means if you have a folder defined that's not there, it'll just put it in the global document spot. It won't like not load the file. So it's pretty resilient, I think, overall. I just feel like people are going to want to define their own default folders for types. So I think we probably need to make that its own system, but it's probably, we're getting into the, coming down to the line. And I don't think it's MVP quality. Like, I don't think it's an MVP, so I think that one's gonna get pushed off. So I can start on accounting, because that is obviously very important. So I think I'm gonna backlog this one for now. Yeah. I am gonna, this is what I'll do tomorrow. What time is it? 53. I'm done for today. But I think tomorrow I'll do the downloaded, like, really basic preview. That way that should clean up, that should finalize the document stuff we really need for launch. So that should be fine. Yeah, you need to be able to download and view. Or at least download. And then, yeah, Wednesday we'll start on accounting. We'll get into it. Should be good. Looks like our PR passed with our change, so that's good. I think we put that one in there already, right? This one in here. Did linear not really link? Surprised. I guess it doesn't look at. If I do this. Really not? Weird. What if I just mention it like this? No? I swear it used to link with that. I'm pretty sure this will do it. Or linear link is broken. Oh, there it goes. Okay, cool. Starting to doubt myself, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. I think that's... Wait, why does it say one file changed? Oh, there it goes. Did the guy with the... No, I don't think so. I'll check. Hold on one sec. I don't think he did, though. Oh, wait. We gotta update... Hold on. Wait. Wait, we didn't update all the document stuff, right? But it was working. Wasn't... This was all working. Was it throwing errors? Hold on. Documents. Delete. Oh wait, I think I saw an error. Right? Or no? I mean, it worked. So wait, why does this work? But this one didn't. Is there like a bug with multiple parameters or something? Or is it null? What the heck is going on here? Hold on, I want to check something. Info, document found. Alright, one more thing. Then I'm done. Then I'm done. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me check if that guy responded. I'm pretty sure he didn't, though. Okay, input document. Why is this? Oh. I'm pretty sure he didn't. Let's see, what was it? Shad CN tree or something? Pull request. No, I didn't. Although this doesn't work probably, right? Yeah, I mean, this doesn't really work. I mean, it kind of works, but there's definitely some work that needs to be like done, because now we know that that move was actually like the refresh from inertia. It just works super nicely. So we actually need to like update the data set to like match this. So, but I mean, it still does a lot of the heavy lifting on drag and drop. So I don't know. Anyway, if he does, I'll definitely mention it in a stream. Okay, hold on. I want to try this really quick. I think we got a bug. Load. So if I go here and go Log, document found. Wait, it's an empty document. It resolves a document, but there's nothing in it? Hold on. Detail. Dude, that's actually like, that's a bug. For sure that's a bug. That is definitely not the behavior. That's kind of scary behavior, actually. Null. Dude, that's a bad bug. Because what it's saying is it's resolving. Dude, that sucks. We're gonna have to open another PR to that project. Because that's saying that it's resolving a document. This isn't throwing an error. It's creating a new empty document. In this case. So we know we need to go route document inside of the authorization step. Now it'll work. But otherwise, it's an empty document. So when you're doing a check against like, does this user own the file, blah, 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 it's just going to be a new document. Look, there, now it loads. Dude, that sucks. I think we're going to have to open a PR for that one. That's pretty bad. Because I'm pretty sure we have that bug in other places. And like, I just want to be able to do the same thing, the same method signature as the controller. Anyway, like notes. Hold on. Oh, we don't do authorizing here. Yeah, we do that. Okay, cool. We did it that way, at least in there. We need to move this into the policy. Instead of like this, for sure. That's okay for now though. We'll clean up for later. Fixing bug with validation checks. I guess we should make sure it actually works, huh? Test. This looks good. Yeah. Oh yeah, you want to see this picture of my dog? Hold on, look how cool this is. This was messing with Gemini the other day. I don't think I posted this. I was having it put like hats on people and stuff. It was pretty funny. I had it put a top hat on my dog. Look how good it looks. Like, it looks so good. I still can't get over how good of a job it does editing. It is. It's so freaking good. Alright. Get this bad boy merged, and then call when it's 5 o'clock. Get out of this place. Refresh. Do a quick look through again here. That model find is clutch. I don't know why I didn't have that earlier. I think the has documents working pretty well. I like the policy flow we built. Cool. Not sold on it being in the route, but it's a little goofy. Because documentable type versus document. But it's okay for now. The good news is where we're at now is the website, so like the stuff we're doing now isn't going to impact the API later. We can tweak it for the API if we want to. So we can get away with being a little inconsistent as we're figuring the stuff out, basically. That's true. I guess we need to think about if we want to launch with the API day one. I guess we probably should. I didn't really have like an item for that, but... Oh man. Trying to keep me around, huh? Alright, hold on 1 sec, let me merge this. Actually, while this is writing, we'll give it a spin. Dude, so good. It's like the... Okay, there we go, I see. I suck. Is there like a timer? Okay. Wait, oh wait, are you... Oh, it's multiplayer. Wait, are you in here? Is it supposed to be... Oh wait. Are you supposed to be in here? I see connected and I see me and another player. Well, I don't see... Oh wait. There we go. Oh yeah. I see you. I think the update ticks are slow. Hold on.
A space where I can just be.
There we go. Okay, yeah, so like I see you now. It was working differently when I was running it locally, yeah. That's how it works. Oh, I can actually hit you. Oh man, look at that. Look at the gore. That's awesome. Wait, are you actually hurt? Did it work? Keep dropping out when inactive on the window as well. Oh yeah, okay. That's gonna be tough. Yeah, that's a WebSocket thing, so that'll be something you have to like definitely just deal with a little bit. It's cool though. The bones are here. I see it. What's like the... Oh, you actually have a server set up. Oh wait, on render. What's on render? Oh, interesting. Oh, I see. Okay. Nice. Never heard of this. Looks legit though. Oh, that's cool. It's probably them throttling. It's probably why it's so slow. All right. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll work on the preview stuff. Wednesday we'll get into the accounting. I think I have accounting dashboards on here, but I think what we'll start with is probably the accounting section of like shipments. Like down here, financials is what I have it set. I'll probably change it to accounting. I don't know, maybe. And make it so you can start recording billing lines, carrier pay, advances, tying advances to if the carrier pays it, if the shipper pays it, what's the split if there's a split. Yeah, what stop is it related to, etc, etc, etc. We'll probably add like helpers up here for like add accessorial to a stop. I need to make this not like actually build the correct stops too. Everything's working so nice though. We've made so much progress. It's gonna be time to get this thing on a server soon, so we can start like battling with whatever. I'm sure there's gonna be stuff that feels snappy locally, right? That's slow, in the browser, just like the game, right? Bones there trying to push for the game jam. You should. It'd be cool. That'd be cool. I'm thinking about doing something. We'll see. I'm so busy, like I was saying. I would definitely normally be. I mean, I love the idea of it. It's awesome. I love game jams. If I build something for it, I'm thinking like 48-hour stream. Like make it a game jam. Like, hold on, let me check my weekend. I'm pretty sure I can't do it this weekend. When is it? 25th that it's due? I mean, yeah, and then I leave for Matt's the week after. I'll tell you what, if Search Carriers comes together by this weekend and it feels good, I might, strong might, do like a long stream and build a game from scratch, like on the stream. I want to do an isometric semi-truck parking simulator. Dude, imagine a multiplayer semi-truck parking game where you have to like pick up loads and it's like top down. You gotta like pick up a load and go deliver it, and there's other people trying to like deliver loads that are like crashing into you, causing damage to the load. And then you have to like do like, you know, a fancy parking job while people are like flying around. That could be pretty funny. Yeah, I guess it needs to be 3D. That's kind of the thing right now, huh? I tried prompting Grok and all them to do like a real fifth wheel physics thing with 3D trucks, and it like did not do it. It did not do it well. Like a demolition, yeah. Kind of like a demolition. Like imagine like, you know, like American Truck Simulator, where like people are like taking loads and delivering them, and like it's pretty real. Imagine that, but it's arcadey. And like, instead of like, it's the same kind of thing where you like, you pick a load and you have like a route, but the map is an MMO. It's like everybody. But like, maybe you can like, I don't know, maybe you can crash somebody's truck, and if you have to like reset, your trailer stays there, and then someone else can like pick up your load and deliver it or steal it or something. So like, if you see somebody with a high value load, you could like abandon your load and go like try to crash them and steal their load, but you can't do too much damage to their trailer, or like the value's not good enough. I don't know. I just feel like there's something funny there. like American Truck Simulator with like a lot of the fun of American Truck Simulator, but more interactive and more goofy. There's probably something there. First, you need a 3D model with a trailer, which yeah, I've struggled with as well. So, hold on, before we get off, last thing, I want to look. Look at that. Inject route parameters into action authorize. No way. This is from last week. Grand Theft Auto American Truck Sim? Yeah, exactly. This is from literally last week, February. Somebody fixed the only variables you can access and act by resolving from container via dependency injection. Authorize at a certain pass parameters and authorize notices. Why I say this would be passed into the authorized method if you were not using actions. Just want to make sure devs would expect experience to be injected as once we pass them in, it would be breaking change to change that behavior. Or I'd say this would be passed in the authorized method if you were not using actions. Wait, what? Is that true? Laravel controller. I guess I don't know. Is there an authorized method on there? I've never used it.
Nothing I've ever seen before.
There's like a controller level authorized, right? Authorize. Wait, maybe not? I don't know. I'm not sure what he's even saying here. But this doesn't seem like it's a very big change. It's 20 lines. Method exists. This route parameters, null, resolve, has method authorized. So right now it does resolve and call method authorized blank, like just otherwise it goes resolve and call method authorized with the route parameters. This seems like a no-brainer. Thumbs up. Currently, if you pass a model, if you define a model as the param, the authorize will instantiate an empty version of that model. Having authorize inject rams the same way controller does. That's what expected the functionality to be. It seems relatively low impact. Hold on. So like basically if we did what we had before. Log a document model, but it will be empty. At the moment, I'm using this approach to get the route params. Bit messy and differs from other the rest of the action.
Time and death and apathy. Teardrops fall out my window all day, all night. Whenever you call, if I don't pick up, I ain't alright. Teardrops fall out my window all day, all night. Whenever you call, if I don't pick up,
Okay. That's it. I'm done. I gotta get off. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out. I'll be back Wednesday. We're getting into accounting. Tomorrow I'm gonna finish up document preview download stuff. We're gonna get this filled out this week. So yeah, I'll be back Wednesday, and have a good rest of your day. And have a great St. Patty's Day. Don't drink too much. And see you later.
That makes me first. I can't be alone.